Welcome to the SailFuture Academy, a tuition-free high school where education meets the real world. As an accredited, nationally recognized leader in innovative education, we are redefining the high school experience. On our 35,000 square foot campus, students build real businesses, gain work experience through paid internships, and tackle project-based coursework. We combine rigorous academics, hands-on learning, and transformative experiences to prepare students for success in life, career, and college. SailFuture Academy graduates leave with more than just a high school diploma. They earn industry certifications, build professional portfolios, and gain real-world experience that sets them apart on any path they pursue. With only 30 spots available each year and full tuition scholarships for qualifying families, don't miss this opportunity. Applications for 8th to 10th grade students are now open. Apply today.